the data that we receive from our quality teams improve the solutions that we deliver. Often our solutions are pushing a little bit the boundaries of the possible. So here, having a reliable feedback mechanism about the quality that we are producing as we are innovating is imperative.
I work really closely with my team to design our new assays that come in to help support potential clinical trials that are coming from our sponsor pharma clients. So it can be really going in depth in the science to really look at, okay, how do we best design these biomarkers? Which panel are we bringing on? How do we really make this work for the biological question that's being asked with these novel drug therapies? So really every time we're designing these, we're looking to create a reproducible process where we're performing the same actions over and over again, so we're expecting the same results. So this provides the reproducibility back for our clients and the data sets for the patients.
If you've got really good science, but you don't have the quality to support it, then you've got an issue when you actually bring your data. So regardless of how beautiful your data looks and you're bringing it to the regulatory body, there's nothing to support it. And so they're gonna come in and they're gonna say, well, we don't see the data integrity, so we can't trust any of this data.
So we kind of started that process. So now our whole quality management system is based on a lot of the metrics that come from MasterControl.
One of the things that I really like about MasterControl is the visibility. I pull down metrics to help me with my quality indicators. One of the things being training. It's very important that all your employees accomplish the training within the specified time period and it's not overdue.
So another key aspect, right, is our training metrics and getting routine insights or reports back from the system so I can understand, okay, which team members are up to date on training? Is there anything coming overdue? Do I need to connect with the team further so that we're always maintaining that, right, highest level of quality and compliance?
Same thing with any of our CAPAs. It's very important that if you have an issue or a CAPA that documents and that record is addressed, that you find that root cause, that you identify what the corrective and preventative action will be. MasterControl maintains all that information and also helps me know if anything's been open too long so that I, once again, can take corrective action to see what the problem is and to move that document along.
So I oversee the quality management review program, which it happens quarterly, and that's kind of where all the metrics come into play. And I present that to the executives at Navigate. And that's how we make sure that our systems are effective, right? Because we'll see the trends and kind of see how over quarter, what's actually happening. And a part of that is also the trends, right, that we can see through the analyzers or just as, track and trend goes. So if an issue or something comes up more often, we can actually see that ahead of time and then, make any changes before it gets to be a huge problem.
And I think the fact that we have a good quality system ensures that regulators are confident in our data.
We are at the core a science organization. We're driven by data and quality and really making a meaningful impact for patients and hopefully, right, to improve and extend patient lives with the work that we do here.